Hello everyone! I hope you guys are all having an amazing day wherever you are. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different, and that is tell you guys how much money I made on YouTube last month and the month before that. You might be wondering why I'm doing this, and it's because for one, I thought it would be something interesting. I am always like kind of nosy and want to know like what other YouTubers are making each month, but also to kind of give you guys an idea of like how much we actually make. I think people think I make a lot more money than I actually do on this channel because I have over 1 million subscribers, but that's actually not the case. Just because someone has a lot of subscribers doesn't mean that their channels are making a lot of money. Really, it's based off views, like how many views a video gets. And majority of the videos that I have on my channel that get really good views are all demonetized. So I really don't make that much money on this YouTube channel. So that kind of ties into like Patreon. I know some people get upset. They're like, oh, it's not fair that you put videos over on Patreon, and I kind of just want to talk to you guys about that a little bit because Patreon is the reason that I'm still able to post videos here. The people that support me on Patreon allow me to continue making videos here so that I can make as many videos as I do and do it full time. And to say thank you to those people supporting me over on Patreon, I like to give them like bonus videos or videos I wouldn't be able to post here because it violates YouTube's terms of service. In case you want to support me on Patreon, I'll just give you a really quick idea of some of the videos that are over there. I'm going to pop them onto the screen. So a while back I filmed a video with Tana. This was like years ago, and we filmed a few videos, and like one of them she didn't like the way she looked in it, and so she's like, don't post it. And I was so upset because I'm like, oh my god, it's hilarious. The video is so funny. I think it was like calling into jobs that like we don't have and saying that we like couldn't come in or something. It was really funny. So that's like one of the videos that's over there. I have a lot of story time videos that I post over there. The majority of the story time videos are just like way too crazy for YouTube, so I post them over there. And I talk about a lot of drama on my Patreon too. Like any drama I'm going through, I feel like those are like my close friends over there that I can like talk to about that stuff. So yeah, any current drama I'm going through, I talk about it on my Patreon. So hopefully that kind of clears that up. And people don't get upset that I post on Patreon. But I do like to mention it once in a while because, like I said, I want to continue posting for you guys. For the people that are supporting me over on Patreon, I just really appreciate your support more than you know. I absolutely love what I do, and without you guys here on YouTube and without my patrons, I wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I wish that I could literally hug all of you guys and say thank you so much for letting me be able to have my dream job, because this is literally a dream come true for me. Thank you so much again. And without further ado, let's just get into how much money I make. Okay, I had to grab my computer so I could show you guys what you're gonna be seeing on the screen here in a minute. And if you hear my cat, I have to repeat this sometimes because sometimes people are new and they're like, oh my god, what is like dying in the background of your video? And it's my Bengal cat. He is a Bengal, and they just are very talkative cats, so they just constantly meow all the time. And then if you also hear just like an annoying sound in the background, it's because my husband started making our water. We make our water at home, and that is what you're hearing right now. It's annoying. And I also am filming this downstairs here, which is not a really good background, but I am in the process of cleaning the room upstairs, so I don't want to film up there. Hi, Bubba. Hi. This is Bandit. This was actually a fun fact. This was Travis's cat before we even met each other. Travis has had him for a long time, so he's technically my stepson. So in October on this channel, I made $1,333.48. So that was awesome. And then for the month of November, which was last month, November, December, yeah, last month, I made $2,137. And just to give you an idea, I live in LA and my rent is around $5,000 a month. And so that doesn't even like come close to even paying my rent, let alone like, all the other bills that we have. So if people are trying to sell you something in their video, like it's sponsored, or they're trying to sell their merch or makeup or their books or whatever it is, like, or they're talking about their Patreon, just remember that we make these videos for free for you guys, but sometimes it's hard because we don't make enough money to be able to pay our bills, and so we would have to go get like a job. And then when you spend that much time at a job, it's really hard to also do YouTube full time, because even though it might not seem like it, you might think like, oh, just turn a camera on and press record and film the video. This is the easiest part of the video, is like recording the actual video. It's like the editing, the behind the scenes. I don't think people realize like editing can take like hours and hours and hours. Sometimes it can take like days to edit a video. Like our Vlogmas music video, it took us a few days to edit that. So that it equals out to a full-time job. And so it's really difficult for someone to post full-time and also like have other jobs. So just keep that in mind and try to be a little bit more, what is the word, like sympathetic or understanding of creators. Because, you know, it is a lot of work, even though we love what we do. Okay, I think that's it. I told you guys how much money I made on YouTube on this channel last month and the month before. If you like this type of video and you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Or if you have any video suggestions, let me know down in the comment section. Also, just really quickly, a lot of people were talking about how long my hair has gotten. Since my last video, these are actually extensions. It's not my hair, just extensions. If you guys want to support me or any of the creators that you love, always check the description box of their videos. A lot of times that is where they'll have all their links. And if you don't have money to support your creators, that's totally fine too. You can still support them by watching their videos, by giving the video a thumbs up, and by commenting down below. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I will see you here tomorrow. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah!